Are you curious about your family tree? Do you want to know more about your ancestry and where your family came from? What if you could unlock the secrets of your DNA and learn about your family history in the process? Today we're diving into the world of genetic analysis and uncovering the secrets that it holds. We'll explore how genetic testing can help you trace your roots, connect with long-lost relatives, and even discover new health insights. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and get ready to uncover the secrets of your DNA. It was a rainy afternoon in London when Emma stumbled upon an old photo album filled with faded pictures of her ancestors. Among them was a mysterious woman named Eleanor, who, according to family lore, had a fascinating but unknown past. Intrigued by her family's enigmatic past, Emma resolved to uncover the truth behind Eleanor's story and the secrets of her own family tree. She began by combing through old documents and records, hoping to find a clue to Eleanor's identity. But as days turned into weeks, she found herself no closer to solving the mystery. Frustrated but determined, she decided to try a different approach. She reached out to her distant cousins, hoping they might have more information about their shared ancestor. To her surprise, they had been researching the family tree as well and were eager to share their findings. Together, they discovered a trail of clues that led them to a small village in Ireland, where they uncovered a hidden gem, a local genealogy society with deep knowledge of the area's history. With their help, Emma and her cousins unearthed a wealth of information about their family's past, including the surprising revelation that Eleanor had been a famous actress in the Victorian era. Through the use of genealogical research and collaboration, Emma was finally able to piece together the truth about her family's past. She learned about the lives, loves, and struggles of her ancestors and gained a deeper appreciation for the rich tapestry of her heritage. This journey of discovery not only satisfied her curiosity about her family tree, but also brought her closer to her own identity and the people she shared it with. Emma's story is just one example of the many ways that genetic analysis can change lives. In today's world, we're surrounded by technology that allows us to learn more about ourselves than ever before. From wearable fitness trackers to smartphone apps, there are countless ways to gain insight into our habits, behaviors, and even our health. However, one of the most exciting frontiers in this field is genetic analysis, which can provide us with a wealth of information about our bodies and our ancestry. At its most basic level, genetic analysis can tell us a lot about our health and our susceptibility to certain diseases. By understanding our genetic makeup, we can take steps to prevent or manage conditions that we may be predisposed to, such as heart disease, diabetes, or certain types of cancer. In addition, genetic testing can help us make informed decisions about our lifestyle and diet, such as whether or not to pursue a career in firefighting or police work, which can expose us to harmful toxins that may affect our health over time. It can also tell us about our ancestry and where our family members came from. This information can be invaluable for those looking to trace their roots or connect with distant relatives. Imagine being able to uncover the secrets of your family tree and learn about the lives of your ancestors. Genetic testing can make this possible by analyzing your DNA and comparing it to that of other people around the world. You may be surprised at what you discover about your heritage and the stories that your DNA can tell. However, it's important to remember that genetic analysis is not a panacea. There are limits to what it can tell us, and it's not always accurate or easy to interpret. Additionally, there are ethical considerations to keep in mind, such as how our genetic information is stored and used. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of genetic analysis are too great to ignore. As technology advances, we'll be able to learn more about ourselves and our bodies like never before. And who knows what other secrets our DNA holds. If you're interested in learning more about your ancestry, there are a few things you can do to get started. First, you can gather as much information as possible about your family tree. This includes names, dates of birth and death, places of residence, and any other relevant information you may have. You can also reach out to distant relatives and see if they have any additional information to share. Once you have a good amount of information to work with, you can start putting together your family tree. There are many online tools and resources that can help you with this process. For example, websites like Ancestry, Com, and MyHeritage. Com allow you to build a family tree and connect with other users who may be related to you. You can also use these websites to access a wealth of genealogical records, such as birth certificates, marriage licenses, and death certificates. In addition to online resources, you can also visit local libraries and historical societies in the areas where your ancestors lived. They may have valuable records or other resources that can help you uncover your family's past. As you delve deeper into your family tree, you may come across some unexpected surprises. For example, you may discover a hidden branch of the family tree that you didn't know existed, or uncover a surprising fact about one of your ancestors, such as a hidden marriage or adoption. These discoveries can add an exciting twist to your genealogy journey and provide you with a deeper understanding of your family's rich history. So, if you've always been curious about your ancestry or want to learn more about your family's past, there are plenty of resources available to help you get started. Who knows what secrets your DNA holds or what surprises your family tree has in store? Now let's meet another protagonist, David. David is a young man in his early 30s who has always been fascinated by his family's history. He grew up hearing stories about his grandparents' immigration to the United States from Italy, and he's always wanted to learn more about his ancestral roots. One day, David decides to take a DNA test to learn more about his heritage. The test results come back and reveal that he has relatives living in a small village in southern Italy. Intrigued, David reaches out to his newfound relatives and begins to learn about their lives and customs. He discovers that he has several cousins and many extended family members who are eager to connect with him and share their family's history. Through regular video calls and exchanges of family photos, David feels a growing sense of connection with his Italian relatives and the culture they've helped him to discover. He even plans a trip to visit them in Italy, where he hopes to explore the village and learn more about his family's traditions. David's story illustrates the profound impact that genetic analysis can have on our sense of identity and belonging. By connecting with others who share his DNA, he's able to tap into a sense of community and shared history that enriches his life in unexpected ways. In exploring his ancestry, he's also able to deepen his understanding of his own identity and the unique blend of cultures that have shaped him into the person he is today. The results of his DNA test were more than just a scientific curiosity. They were a passport to a vibrant community of relatives and a window into a rich cultural heritage. As we wrap up our discussion on genetic analysis, it's clear that this field has the power to change lives in profound ways. Whether it's through health insights, disease prevention, or ancestral discoveries, the potential benefits of genetic analysis are vast. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more breakthroughs and applications to emerge, transforming our understanding of ourselves and our world. However, it's also important to approach this topic with sensitivity and respect for the ethical considerations involved. Privacy concerns, genetic discrimination, and the potential for misuse of genetic information are all issues that must be carefully considered as we move forward. By engaging in open and honest conversations about these issues, we can harness the power of genetic analysis while protecting the rights and dignity of all individuals. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to pursue genetic testing or analysis is a personal one. There is no right or wrong answer, and the choice should be made with careful consideration and guidance from healthcare professionals. However, for those who do choose to explore their genetics, the potential rewards are truly life-changing. From a deeper understanding of our health to a newfound appreciation for our ancestry, genetic analysis can unlock a wealth of information that can enrich our lives in ways we never imagined. We hope that this exploration of genetic analysis has inspired you to think about your own health, ancestry, and the incredible complexity of the human body. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about similar topics, be sure to check out our channel where we regularly cover topics related to science, technology, and the amazing discoveries that are changing our world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.